Hello, my name is Eneida Ceballos Villada. I am in the B1 plus grade. I live in Pastos City and I work in UNAT, SECA Pasto, in the Master Community Psychology. I am a psychologist. I like to work in research, and today I am going to share something about the work that I and my partners did. We have three, three investigations, and we are starting a new study about psychological well-being. We started to study psychological well-being when we was interested to know about happiness. Initially, we want to inquire about happiness, and we found some question of Carol Reef. She is a future scientist from United States. For example, is happiness everything, or is everything happiness? These questions show us the importance of the topic, but it wasn't enough because happiness is related to a general term, not a very specific term that can become ambiguous for a scientific point of view. Therefore, we looked for the new and better concepts, and we found the subjective well-being and psychological well-being. But we found that the architecture of psychological well-being has multiple factors and dimensions as autonomy, purpose in life, self-acceptance, positive relationships, personal growth, etc. In this context, the first resource sought to understand the meaning of happiness with children. In this study, we discovered a large amount of information that shows, for example, that the happiness is fundamentally related to positive relationships, especially with family and pets. In the school, friends are valued more than everything else. The second one was a very interesting intervention, and the third one was a state of art of a study of the psychological well-being. We found many elements and trends that have help us in our work. With that, it is confirmed that there are important advances on the researched subject, and I invited you to read and practice the skills about the psychological well-being. Thank you for your attention, and good night.